AMG stands for performance at the highest level. This is especially true for AMG engines.
AMG faces the challenges for the future and takes responsibility for the environment. Therefore, we develop new efficient engines which are in the pole position regarding performance and are the best in class in fuel consumption.
The new AMG 5.5-liter V8 Biturbo Engine. A masterpiece of engineering, extremely agile and with significantly lower fuel consumption.
Our engineers designed the combustion even more efficient, especially with a direct injection system which is spray guided and a biturbo system which reacts as fast as lightning.
Before the air reaches the combustion chamber, it's compressed into the turbochargers. The exhaust energy drives a compressor wheel inside the turbocharger, which compresses the charged air in the intake tract to 2.3 times its normal density.
The AMG turbocharger responds directly because of the short flow paths of the compressed air and the exhaust gas.
As air is heated during compression, it is cooled by up to 90 degrees in a large dimensioned intercooler, which reduces its volume. Turbocharger and intercooler force twice as much air mass into the combustion chamber as in a naturally aspirated engine. With piezo injectors, the fuel is injected with up to 200 bar directly into the compressed air, optimally regulated for every driving situation. Direct injection and turbocharging enable more dynamic performance and increase torque up to 900 Newton meters.
Since our target was a very good performance to weight ratio of approximately 0.4 kilograms per horsepower, we have to use special lightweight material which are also very strong. And we use certain technologies to make the engine endurable enough. And at the end we can even use our racing know-how.
Lightweight, low-mass pistons are extremely strong and resistant to high temperatures. Because of the extreme thermal stress, the exhaust valves are made of high-alloyed special steels. They are extremely light and have a sodium-filled hollow shaft and lead the heat upwards towards the cooling water.
With our new biturbo engine, we focused on a lightweight concept and designed an all-aluminum engine that is extremely agile. The chain drive is divided. With shorter chains, the cam timing will be met precisely and the wear is less.
The fuel-efficient, volume flow-controlled oil pump is the heart of the engine, providing only as much oil as the engine needs at any given moment.
The new V8 Biturbo engine is also characterized by a stop-start function while driving in C mode. Whether it is activated can be controlled in the display. Stop-start is saving fuel, but the development was a special challenge for our engineers, as all relevant vehicle functions must be maintained when the engine stops.
When the vehicle comes to a halt and the driver's foot stays on the brake, the engine turns itself off. All relevant systems remain on standby. When the brake pedal is released, the engine starts again immediately.
The direct start is possible due to the special injection system and by holding the injection pressure.
A crankshaft sensor detects which cylinder is in the best position to begin ignition.
We managed to develop stop-start in conjunction with the AMG SpeedShift MCT 7-speed sport transmission with wet starting clutch.
The new 5.5-liter Biturbo engine from AMG. With many advanced technologies. An uncompromising power unit with maximum efficiency and more than 25% fuel savings. Best in class in terms of consumption, performance, and torque.